Yes, good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss homomorphism and isomorphism of groups, especially introduction part of homomorphism and isomorphism of groups. Right? Our topic name is what? Homomorphism and isomorphism of groups. The same topic available in rings also. Yes, let us see what is homomorphism of the group. First, group homomorphism ante ento chuzdamma. I am going to define homomorphism definition in groups. Yes, it is. Let us consider that G comma dot and G bar comma dot are two groups. G bar or G cap, anything you can take. Notation, somebody may write G dash also. G bar comma dot are two groups. Inka general definition cheppadaniki I am proceeding like this. Let us consider that G is a group with respect to some operator star and G bar is a group with respect to some operator circle. But in our complete theory concept, star and circle should be what? Multiplicative operator. That's why I want to define that, but let us see general definition here, right? G comma star is a group and G bar comma circle is a group. These are two groups. Now let us define a mapping F from G to G bar. Let us define a mapping from this G to G bar. If this mapping can satisfy one special condition, that condition is if suppose F of A star B is equal to F of A circle F of B for all A comma B belongings to domain set G. For every two elements A and B in G, if F of A star B equal to F of A circle F of B, in such case we say that this F is homomorphism from group G to G bar, and symbolically you can denote as like this one. Then read cheyali. You have to read it as G is homomorphic to G bar. Right? Here once concentrate in this definition. This left side portion is domain set operator and right side portion is what? Co-domain set operator. Concentrate that. If G comma star and G bar comma circle are two groups and F is mapping from G to G bar, then F is said to be homomorphism from G into G bar if it can satisfy this condition. What is that? F of A star B should equal to what? F of A circle F of B for every two elements A and B in G. This is the definition of homomorphism. This portion is equal to this portion. Here operator is domain operator. Here right side operator is co-domain operator. If this portion is same as this portion for every two elements A and B in G, then we say that F is homomorphism from G into G bar and it is denoted with this. You have to read it as what? G is homomorphic to G bar. Right? In this case, we have few conditions. In this few conditions available. After homomorphism, I am going to define endomorphism. What is endomorphism? Once concentrate. It is if F is homomorphism, clearly I am writing, if F is homomorphism from G to G, then we say that F is what? Endomorphism. If suppose F is mapping from G to G, is homomorphism. F is homomorphism from group G to itself, then that F is called as what? Endomorphism. In the homomorphism definition, if domain set, co-domain set, one and the same, in such case that homomorphism is called as what? Endomorphism. Right? After that, next definition is monomorphism. Let us see what is monomorphism. It is very simple. A one-one homomorphism is called as monomorphism. That means, first of all, F is mapping from G to G bar is homomorphism as well as it must satisfy what? 1-1 condition. 1-1 you know na? For different domain elements there should be different images. In such case that mapping is called as what? 1-1. In already lower classes, you know, already I explained somewhere now. If suppose f is mapping from G to G bar is homomorphism as well as it is 1 1 ma, then you say f is what ma? Monomorphism on G ma. F is called as monomorphism on G ma, right? This is monomorphism definition ma. Next one is epimorphism ma. It is if suppose f is mapping from G to G bar is homomorphism as well as f is onto ma. F should be onto mapping ma. Then this f is called as what ma? Epimorphism ma. Once again I am repeating ma. If f is mapping from G to G bar is homomorphism as well as f is onto, then you say that f is what ma? Epimorphism ma, right? Simply you can define epimorphism as like this ma. An onto homomorphism is called as epimorphism ma. An onto homomorphism is called as epimorphism. This is the definition of epimorphism ma. Okay, now up to here we proceed this condition ma. Now let us come on to this one more condition available now. I mean now I am going to define isomorphism ma in our title second definition ma. It is very simple ma. A 1 1 onto homomorphism is called as an isomorphism. That means first of all f should be mapping from G to G bar is homomorphism as well as f should be what ma? 1 1 and f should be what ma? Onto. In such case that f is called as what ma? Isomorphism. Once again I am repeating ma. A 1 1 onto homomorphism is called as an isomorphism. In the simple way you can define like this. A 1 1 onto homomorphism is called as what ma? Isomorphism. If suppose f is mapping from G to G bar is isomorphism ma, then symbolically you can denote it as like this ma. You must read this as what ma? G is isomorphic with G bar. That means see this is homomorphism ma. Keep one more line here, it becomes what ma? Isomorphism. But how can you read this ma? G is isomorphic to G bar. This is the definition of isomorphism, right? After this next definition is automorphism. One more definition available in this process ma. It is what? Automorphism. What is automorphism? Once concentrate ma. It is same like endomorphism in homomorphism. Endomorphism in homomorphism is same as in isomorphism, right? That automorphism definition. It is very simple thing. If suppose f is mapping from G to G bar is isomorphism, then we say that f is an automorphism. Once again I am repeating. An isomorphism from group G to itself, sorry, G to G bar now. We are not taking G to G bar now. If f is mapping from G to G is isomorphism ma. In such case that isomorphism is called as automorphism. Means what ma? An isomorphism from group G to itself, from group G to itself is called as automorphism ma. అంటే ఐసోమార్ఫిజంలో డొమైన్ సెట్ కోడొమైన్ సెట్ రెండు సేమ్ అయినామనుకోండి, such isomorphism is called as what ma? Automorphism ma. Suppose in problematic area ma, if they want automorphism ma, you must show it is isomorphism. For that you must do all these things ma. అంటే ఒక్క ఆటోమార్ఫిజం అని ప్రూవ్ చేయమంటే ఒక ప్రాబ్లమెటిక్ ఏరియాలో అందులో ఐసోమార్ఫిజం వస్తుంది, హోమోమార్ఫిజం వస్తుంది, 1 1 మ్యాపింగ్ వస్తుంది, ఆన్ టు వస్తుంది, మోనోమార్ఫిజం వస్తుంది, ఎపిమార్ఫిజం ఇంక్లూడింగ్ ఎండోమార్ఫిజం. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విల్ గెట్ మా. ఈ ఒక్క వర్డ్ అడిగితే చాలు, ఆల్ కండిషన్స్ విల్ గెట్ మా, రైట్? దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ యువర్ ఆటోమార్ఫిజం డెఫినేషన్ మా, రైట్? ఇదే కాకుండా ఇంకొన్ని డెఫినేషన్స్, ఇంకో 2 డెఫినేషన్స్ ఉన్నవేమ్మా. ఐ వాంట్ టు గో త్రూ ఫర్ దెమ్. It is homomorphic image of the group ma. Next definition, homomorphic image of the group. What is that? Once concentrate here ma. Homomorphic image of the group. Yes, let us see it ma. Let us consider that f is mapping from G to G bar is homomorphism. That means f is homomorphism from a group G into a group G bar, right? Then the set of all those elements of G bar which has pre-image in G is called as homomorphic image of G and it is denoted by f of G. Once again I am repeating. Let f is mapping from G to G bar is homomorphism. Then the set of all those elements of G bar which has pre-image in G is called as homomorphic image of G and it is denoted by f of G. Otherwise simply this f of G set you can write as like this. F of x belongs to G bar such that x belongs to G. idokati gurtu pettukunna chalu. F of G set is what f of x belongs to G bar such that x belongs to G. Meaning is what basically f of G elements are G bar elements only. But what type of elements? Whenever its pre-image is x which exists in G. In such case only you say this f of x is one of the element of f of G. Okay, here clearly I will show geometrically I will show that above condition. For example, this is G and this is G bar. Here f is isomorphism. In G I am going to take elements like this. Some A, B, somewhere identity element in the group compulsory E will get and X, Y like this some elements available. Right? And in G bar I am taking elements like this. A dash, B dash, E dash, identity element in G bar. Generally we are going to denote with E dash or somebody can write E bar also. And some other elements also I am going to take some P, Q, R like this I taken. This is codomain set, this is domain set. And I am taking that homomorphism F from G to G bar as like this. A is mapping to A dash, B is mapping to B dash, 100% E should mapping to E dash. In first theorem we can show this condition. How you say E is mapping to E dash. For remaining elements I am taking mapping like this. X is mapping to R and Y is mapping to some P. There is no mapping for Q in G bar set, remember. Here what is total codomain set G bar? Set A dash, B dash, E dash, P, Q, R. Then can you define what is f of G set there? What I say f of G? Set of all those elements of G bar which has pre-image in G. It is what f of G set, homomorphic image set. What is that? A dash has pre-image so that A dash is element of this. In this B dash also has pre-image, okay, B dash. E dash also has pre-image, okay, E dash. P also has pre-image, P. And R also has pre-image. But Q has no pre-image, that's why don't write in this set. This is your homomorphic image set, f of G set. Roughly I explained according to one example, right? This is the definition of homomorphic image of the group, right? But remember, f of G is always subset of G bar or not? Absolutely. What is G bar set here? G bar set entandi? Set A dash, B dash, E dash, P, Q, R. This is G bar set. F of G set is this. Once look, whatever elements exist in f of G, all those in G bar are not. Due to that, what do you say, this f of G set is always subset or equal to G bar. Try to remember that property, right? After this, next definition, important definition, it is kernel of homomorphism of groups. Very important definition. Kernel of homomorphism of groups or group, whatever it may be. Kernel of homomorphism of group, right? Very simple. Again, let us consider that f is mapping from group G to group G bar is homomorphism. Meaning of this is what? Let us consider that f is homomorphism from a group G to a group G bar. Then the set of all those elements of G which are mapped to the identity element of G bar is called as kernel of homomorphism f and it is denoted with this symbol KERF. What is that KERF? Set x belongs to G such that f of x is equal to E dash where E dash is identity in G bar, codomain set identity. Where E dash is identity in G bar. Understood or not definition? What is kernel? Set of all those elements of G which are mapped to the identity element of G bar. అంటే జీలోని ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అయితే జీ బార్లోని ఐడెంటిటీ ఎలిమెంట్కి మ్యాప్ చేసినామో అలాంటి జీలోని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఒక సెట్గా ఫామ్ చేయండి. దట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ కెర్నల్ ఎఫ్ సెట్. అదే ఇప్పుడు దీని మీనింగ్ x belongs to G such that f of x equal to E dash means what ma? Whenever f of x equal to E dash, that x belongs to G should be one of the element of kernel F ma. Whenever f of x equal to E dash, this x should be in where ma? Kernel F set. Basically x is element of G ma. Right? Okay, again this one I will show geometrically. This is G set ma, group ma, I mean this is G bar ma, right? In G set again I am taking elements A, B, C, E and some X, Y, like this I proceed ma, right? And this G bar set ma, let us take elements as like this A dash, B dash, C dash, E dash and some P, Q, like this we taken ma. Let us take F mapping like this ma, which is homomorphism from G to G bar. A is mapping to A bar means f of A equal to A dash, B is mapping to B bar means f of B equal to B dash, C is mapping to C dash, f of C equal to C dash, and whenever f is homomorphism 100% E should map to E dash ma. That I will show in theorem number 1 ma. And for remaining elements, for x I am taking ma, x is mapping to E dash, again I am taking, this y is mapping to Q I taken ma. I mean here E is mapping to E dash and x is mapping to E dash, where E dash is what ma? Identity element in G bar ma. Then can you define what is kernel F set here? ఇక్కడ kernel F set ఏంటో చెప్తారమ్మా చూడండి. E dash కి ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ మ్యాప్ చేసి ఉన్నామండి? E and x, those proceed as a set ma. Set E comma x, set E comma x is what ma? Kernel of homomorphism F ma. Simply you can denote it with K A R F. ఇప్పుడు మీకు క్లారిటీగా అర్థం కావాలి. జీలోని ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అయితే జీ బార్లోని ఐడెంటిటీ ఎలిమెంట్కి మ్యాప్ చేసి ఉంటామో అలాంటి దాన్ని ఒక సెట్గా ఫామ్ చేయండి, అలాంటి ఎలిమెంట్స్ని. దట్ సెట్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ వాట్ మా? కెర్నల్ ఎఫ్ సెట్. మీకు ఇక నిద్ర లేపినా గుర్తుండాలి, కెర్నల్ ఎఫ్ మీన్స్ వాట్ మా? సెట్ ఎక్స్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు జీ సచ్ దట్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఈ డాష్, వేర్ ఈ డాష్ ఈజ్ వాట్ మా? ఐడెంటిటీ ఎలిమెంట్ ఇన్ జీ బార్ మా. దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ కెర్నల్ ఆఫ్ హోమోమార్ఫిజం సెట్ మా, రైట్? This is about complete introduction of this homomorphism and isomorphism of groups now. Mottam all definitions we proceed now. Ika next in this, after completing problematic part now, we can go for theorems. And after this now we are going to discuss problematic part in this section now, right? Yes, now we are going to start problems in this section now. First problem is, if G is the additive group of integers and G bar is the additive group of even integers, and if f is mapping from G to G bar defined as f of x equal to 2x for all x belongs to G, then prove that f is homomorphism and find kernel F. Sorry, then prove that f is isomorphism and find kernel F. ఇక్కడ f isomorphism అని ప్రూవ్ చేయమన్నారంటే ఆల్ కండిషన్స్ వచ్చేసినట్టే. You must show f is homomorphism, f is 1 1 and f is on 2. With that you can conclude f is isomorphism. After that let us proceed how can you find kernel F ma. But before that, what is given condition once look ma. In the statement they given G is what ma? Additive group of integers. That means G is a group under addition and it is what ma? Integer set. Symbolically you can write like this ma. G is equal to set Z comma group Z comma plus, means this G is a group under addition and it is what ma? Integer set, right? In the similar way, what about G bar set they given ma? G bar is the additive group of even integers, means G bar is also a group under addition and it is what ma? Even integer set. Simply G bar set you can write as like this 2Z comma plus, right? And what they given ma? Inka statement lo manaki ichina condition entama? Here I am writing given that and rasdam. Still what they given in the statement ma? F is mapping from G to G bar in such a way that, in what way ma? F of x is equal to 2x for all x belongs to G. For every x belongs to G, you have f of x equal to 2x. Like that, whenever y belongs to G, f of x equal to 2y ma. For p belongs to G, f of p equal to 2p ma. That is your f definition ma. First let us show f is homomorphism. But what we have to show to proceed homomorphism condition here once look ma. In the general definition, basic definition, what I said ma, to prove f is homomorphism, it is sufficient to show that f of a star b is equal to what ma? F of a circle f of b ma, right? But here instead of star what we have ma? Additive operator. Ikkada star ki badlu addition undi, domain operator. అండ్ సర్కిల్కి బదులు ఏముంది, కోడొమైన్ ఆపరేటర్ అడిషన్, ఆపరేటర్ ఏంటి అడిషన్, ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ ఆల్సో అడిషన్. అంటే జనరల్లీ వీ హ్యావ్ టు షో వాట్ మా, ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ ప్లస్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ బి ఫర్ ఆల్ ఏ కామా బి బిలాంగ్స్ టు జీ. ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ షో దిస్, దట్ కంప్లీట్స్ హోమోమార్ఫిజం డెఫినేషన్ మా. But here also it is not compulsory take A and B notations only. If you want you can take x and y, because already some relation you got in x. That means instead of this I want to show that f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y for all x comma y belongs to G. If you can show this condition ma, then you say f is homomorphism under this situation. In this also this is given condition. Take x comma y belongs to G. Using that, let us show f of x plus y is equal to what ma? F of x plus f of y ma. Here whenever x belongs to G, we have f of x equal to 2x ma. Like that, what about for y belongs to G ma? Is it f of y is equal to 2y or not? For all y belongs to G. Already I told ma, this is given condition. Take this and prove this or none. Yes, take this ma. For x comma y belongings to G implies, is it x plus y is also in G or not? Yes, according to closure property in G. Basically G is a group under addition ma. Under addition, what is closure property? Whenever x comma y belongs to G ma, x plus y also in G ma. But again here concentrate one small condition ma. Whenever x belongs to G, we have f of x equal to 2x ma. Then what about for x plus y belongs to G? Ade x plus y belongs to G ki em avutundi? Clearly I am writing f of x plus y is equal to 2 into x plus y. Simple ma. Here instead of x take x plus y ma. That I proceed. Now 2 take inside, it is what ma? 2x plus 2y, right? But what is 2x here ma? F of x plus what is 2y here ma? F of y. That's all. We got f of x plus y equal to what ma? F of x plus f of y ma. Therefore you say that f is homomorphism. Yes, first condition is over. Homomorphism we proved. In the question, if suppose simply they want homomorphism ma, stop here, that completes your question. But they want isomorphism ma, that's why after homomorphism we have to show what ma? 1 1 and on 2. Now let us do for f is 1 1. When do you say f is 1 1 ma? Already we discussed ma. Let us take f of x is equal to f of y ma for x comma y belongings to G. Using this, if we can show x equal to y, then you say f is 1 1. 1 1 means what ma? Whenever f of x is equal to f of y, we must show that x is equal to y. Then you say f is 1 1. Right, first take this ma. But what is f of x here? F of x enta andi ikkada? 2x is equal to f of y is what ma? 2y. Now cancel these two. Then what we get ma? X is equal to y or not? That's all. Whenever f of x equal to f of y, we proved x is equal to y ma. Therefore f is 1 1. Yes, second condition also we completed. Next, in this isomorphism, one more condition required ma. What is that condition? It is onto ma. Onto directly you can conclude ma. How you conclude? Let us see here. F is onto. Yes, once look one small condition ma. Whenever x belongs to z, is it 2x belongings to 2z or not? Absolutely. Whenever x is integer, 2 into x should be what ma? Even integer ma. Here z means what ma? Is it G or not? I mean for all x belongings to G implies what we got ma? 2x belongings to 2z means is it G bar set or not? Ante whenever x is in G, 2x in G bar ma. In the similar way, whenever 2x belongs to G bar, this x should be in G ma, because x, whenever 2x is even integer, x should be what ma? Integer. You can now take your given condition ma, given definition ma. In the statement, they are giving that f is mapping from G to G bar according to the definition in such a way that f of x is equal to 2x. Total meaning of this condition is, that is, for every x 2x belongings to G bar, for every 2x belongs to G bar, there exists a pre-image X belongs to G. Onto mapping means what, ma? For every element of codomain set, if we can show there exists pre-image in domain set, that is enough. That one only here we got. For every 2x belongs to G bar, ma, there exists pre-image X belongs to G. Now we say F is what, ma? Onto. Yes, here we got F is homomorphism 1 1 and onto, ma. Then is it F is isomorphism or not? Hence F is an isomorphism. If in the question just up to here only, stop there. Question is over. But in the question what they want, ma? Kernel F, ma. For that, once go for kernel definition, ma. We know that this work once concentrate, ma. Kernel F set is what, ma? Already explained. Set of all elements X belongs to G such that F of X is equal to E dash, where what is E dash, ma? E dash is identity in G bar, identity element in G bar set, ma. Yes, according to our notations I am writing perfect kernel F set, ma. Kernel F equal to set X belongs to G such that F of X is equal to E dash. What I said, E dash is identity in G dash, ma, G bar, ma. In G bar set, operator is addition, ma. Under addition, what is identity element? 0. So that in G bar identity what, ma? 0. Now this E dash value should be what, ma? 0. అర్థమైందా లేదమ్మా? అమ్మ E dash అంటే ఈ కోడొమైన్ సెట్లో ఐడెంటిటీ ఎలిమెంట్. ఈ 2z కామా ప్లస్లో ఐడెంటిటీ ఏంటి? 0. బికాస్ అండర్ ఎడిషన్ ఐడెంటిటీ ఎలిమెంట్ ఈజ్ 0 which exists in 2z, that should be E dash, ma. Right? ఇప్పుడు ఇది సెపరేట్గా తీసుకుందామమ్మా. టేక్ F of X equal to 0 separately and find all X values in G and proceed as I said, that is your kernel F set. For that separately, ఇది number 1 అనుకుంటుంది for our convenience. Separately I want to consider F of X equal to 0. But what is F of X here? 2x. Yes, in place of F of X, let us take this 2x, ma. 2x is equal to 0. From this, what is x, ma? 0. That means in this total process, to satisfy this relation, ma, x value is 0 only. Now this 0 proceed in this set, ma. That means your kernel F set is what, ma? Only 0 set, ma. Singleton 0 you say. 0 is the only element in the set. అమ్మ ఇక్కడ ఇంకా సపోజ్ 0,1 వస్తే సెట్ 0,1 అని రాయండి. ఇక్కడ x వాల్యూ ఒకటే 0 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి సింగిల్టన్ 0గా రాయండి. దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ కెర్నల్ F సెట్, మా. Like this you have to find your kernel in the homomorphism. This is about first problem in the question, ma. ఇది ఒక్కటి అర్థమైనా చాలు, all problems you can do in this process, ma. Right? Yes, now see question number 2, ma. Second question. If G is the multiplicative group of, if G is the multiplicative group of if G is the multiplicative group of positive real numbers, multiplicative group of positive real numbers, and G bar is the multiplicative group of, and G bar is the multiplicative group of non-zero, all non-zero real numbers, multiplicative group of all non-zero real numbers, multiplicative group of all non-zero real numbers, and also F is mapping from G to G bar such that F of X equal to x square for all x belongings to G. Then prove that F is homomorphism. Then prove that F is homomorphism and find kernel F. This is complete question for you. Right? Homomorphism and prove cheyamanaru, kernel kuda find cheyamanaru, right? Yes, first of all I want to write all conditions in my way, in my notations. Given that G is what, the set of all positive real numbers under multiplication is a group, means set of all positive real numbers you can write R plus, it is a group under multiplication, be careful. G is what, the multiplicative group of all positive real numbers, and G bar is what, the set of all multiplicative group of all non-zero real numbers. The set of all non-zero real numbers you can write R minus singleton 0 comma dot is a group, multiplicative group అన్నారు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ డాట్ తీసుకోవాలి. are two groups, these are two groups, right? And they given that, and F is mapping from G to G bar in such a way that f of x is equal to x square for all x belongings to G. Now we have to show f is homomorphism, same like previous question. Here what we have to proceed, whenever x belongs to G have f of x equal to x square, then what about for y belongs to G, f of y is equal to y square for all y belongings to G. Any problem is there? Again come on to my condition, whenever x comma y belongs to G, for x comma y belongs to G implies according to closure property in G, here operator is multiplication kadamma, according to multiplicative closure property in G, what we have, x into y belongings to G by closure property under G according to multiplication, right? Ikkada operator is what, multiplication, clearly they given. Here again concentrate one small condition, whenever x belongs to G have f of x equal to x square, then what about for xy belongs to G, is it f of xy is equal to xy whole square or not? Yes, absolutely. ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు, x ప్లేస్ లో xy తీసుకుంటున్నాం. But xy whole square you can write as what, x square into y square, right? But what is x square here, f of x into what is y square, f of y. That's all. We got f of xy, we got f of x into y is equal to f of x into f of y. ఇక్కడ డొమైన్లో కో డొమైన్లో రెండిట్లో ఆపరేటర్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ రెండిట్లో మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఉంటుంది. We proved f of x into y is equal to what, f of x into f of y for all x comma y belongs to G. Therefore we say that f is homomorphism. Yes, one condition we completed. మన క్వశ్చన్లో ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అయిపోయిందమ్మా, దిస్ వన్, రైట్? నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి, కెర్నల్ ఎఫ్ ఫైండ్ చేయాలి. నౌ డిఫైన్ కెర్నల్. We know that kernel f is equal to set of all elements x belongings to G such that f of x is equal to e dash. But what is e dash here? E dash is identity element in G bar. Under G bar what is identity element, 1, because multiplication identity enti 1 kada, so that e dash value is 1. That means what is kernel f set here, kernel f set em avutundamma, set x belongings to G such that f of x is equal to 1. ఇది మన సెట్ అండి. అంటే ఏంటి, జీలో ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఏవైతే ఈ 1కి మ్యాప్ చేసి ఉంటావో వాటిని ఒక సెట్గా ఫామ్ చేయాలి, దట్ ఈస్ కెర్నల్ ఎఫ్ సెట్. ఫర్ దట్ టేక్ దిస్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 సెపరేట్లీ, ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 సెపరేట్గా తీసుకోండి. బట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ హియర్, ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్. వీ గాట్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. Whenever x square is equal to 1, x should be what, plus or minus 1. That means x value is what, 1 comma minus 1. ఇప్పుడు మనం చూడాలి, ఇలా x వాల్యూస్ రాగానే 100% ఆ రెండింటిని తీసుకొని సెట్గా ఫామ్ చేస్తే కెర్నల్ ఎఫ్ రాదు. ఇవి రెండిట్లో కూడా ఏది మన జీలో ఉంది చూసుకోండి, ఆల్ జీలో ఉంటే ఆ రెండింటిని మీరు సెట్గా ఫామ్ చేసేసేయండి. హియర్ 1 ఈజ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ జీ. ఎస్, పాజిటివ్ రియల్ నెంబర్ సెట్లో 1 ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ అండి. బట్ ఈజ్ ఇట్ -1 బిలాంగింగ్స్ టు యువర్ పాజిటివ్ రియల్ నెంబర్ సెట్? నో. దట్స్ వై మన కెర్నల్ ఎఫ్ రాసేప్పుడు -1 రాయొద్దు. ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నాము, ఎక్స్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు జీ అంటున్నాం, అంటే ఎక్స్ జీలోని ఎలిమెంట్ అయి ఉండాలి. -1 జీలో ఉందా? లేదు. కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు కెర్నల్ ఎఫ్ సెట్ ఏమవుతుందమ్మా, ఇక్కడ కెర్నల్ ఎఫ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సింగిల్టన్ 1. సిన్స్ ఇక్కడ రీజన్ క్లియర్ రాస్తున్నాం, -1 డస్ నాట్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు పాజిటివ్ రియల్ నెంబర్ సెట్. -1 పాజిటివ్ రియల్ నెంబర్ సెట్లో ఉండదు కాబట్టి అది ఇక్కడ తీసుకోవద్దు. సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ రియల్ నెంబర్ కాకుండా r మైనస్ సింగిల్టన్ 0,1 ఉంటే సెట్ 1,-1 ఈజ్ కెర్నల్ ఎఫ్ అవుతుంది. అందుకే సెట్ని బట్టి మనం రాయాలి, డొమైన్ సెట్ని బట్టి ఇక్కడ కెర్నల్ ఎఫ్ డిఫైన్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ రాగానే డైరెక్ట్ వాటిని తీసుకొని సెట్ ఫామ్ చేయొద్దు. అందులోని ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ మన డొమైన్ సెట్లో ఉన్నావో చూడండి, ఆ డొమైన్ సెట్లో ఉన్న ఎక్స్ వాల్యూసే యూ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రొసీడ్ యాజ్ వన్ సెట్ దట్ గివ్స్ వాట్ మా కెర్నల్ ఎఫ్ సెట్ మా, రైట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ యువర్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్. Yes, now let us see question number 3 ma. Third question observe cheyandamma. It is, if G is the additive group of integers, if G is the additive group of integers, if G is the additive group of integers and G bar is the multiplicative group of non-zero real numbers, G bar is the multiplicative group of non-zero real numbers and also f is mapping from G to G bar, f is mapping from G to G bar such that f of x is equal to e power x, then prove that f is homomorphism, then prove that f is homomorphism and find kernel f, and find kernel f. అమ్మ ఇక్కడ ఎఫ్ అనే ఉండాలనే రూల్ లేదు, 5 అంటారు కొన్నిసార్లు, డోంట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్. ఇక్కడ ఈ నోటేషన్ ఎఫ్కి బదులు 5 కూడా ఉండొచ్చు క్వశ్చన్లో. దిస్ ఈజ్ యువర్ కంప్లీట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇది మన ఓవరాల్ క్వశ్చన్ అండి, రైట్. ఒకసారి నోటేషన్స్లో మన గివెన్ కండిషన్స్ రాద్దామమ్మా. ద గివెన్ G ఈజ్ ది అడిటివ్ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటీజర్స్ మీన్స్ వాట్ మా? ఇన్ ద స్టేట్మెంట్ దే ఆర్ గివింగ్ దట్ G ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు integer set under addition is a group. And what about G bar set ma? G bar set ఏమని ఇచ్చినారమ్మా? multiplicative group of non-zero real numbers. Non-zero real number set you can write r minus singleton 0. Under multiplication it is a group, that is your G bar ma. These are two groups, right? And in the statement itself what they given ma? F is mapping from G to G bar, F is the mapping from G to G bar according to the definition f of x is equal to e power x for every x belongs to G. This implies f of y should equal to e power y for all y belongs to G. Any problem is there? Again, for x comma y belongs to G implies according to closure property in G. మనకు ఆపరేటర్ ఏంటి జీలో అడిషన్ కాబట్టి క్లోజర్ ప్రాపర్టీ అంటే ఏంటమ్మా? అడిషన్లో క్లోజర్ ప్రాపర్టీ. వెన్ ఎవర్ ఎక్స్ కామా వై బిలాంగ్స్ టు జీ వీ హ్యావ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ వై ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఇన్ జీ బై క్లోజర్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఇన్ జీ. సో దట్ హియర్ అగైన్ కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ వన్ కండిషన్. వెన్ ఎవర్ ఎక్స్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు జీ వీ హ్యావ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ మా. దెన్ వాట్ అబౌట్ ఫర్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ వై బిలాంగ్స్ టు జీ మా? f of x plus y is equal to e power x plus y. Simple ma. Here replace x with what ma? X plus y. But e power x plus y you can write as what ma? E power x into e power y. Any problem? What is e power x here ma? F of x. And what is e power y ma? F of y. E power x is f of x, e power y is f of y. You got f of x into f of y. That's all. We proved f of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y. ఇక్కడ డిఫరెంట్ ఆపరేటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. దిస్ ఈజ్ కోడొమైన్ ఆపరేటర్, this is domain operator, this is codomain operator ma. We proved f of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y ma. Therefore f is homomorphism. Yes, in our question first part of the question is completed. First part complete అయిందండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి? కెర్నల్ ఫైండ్ చేయాలి. For that first write down kernel f set ma. What is kernel F set ma? Kernel F is equal to set x belongs to G such that f of x is equal to E dash, where E dash is what ma? Identity in G bar. But what is identity in G bar ma? G bar set is this ma. In G bar multiplicative operator is there. Then identity element should be 1. So that E dash should be what ma? 1. That means what is kernel F set here ma? Ikkada kernel F set emavutundamma? Set of all elements x belongs to G such that f of x is equal to 1. You can now take this relation separately. There is number 1 anukundamu. Take f of x equal to 1 separately and find all x belongs to G to satisfy this f of x equal to 1 more. For that, in the next step, I want to take f of x equal to 1 separately. But what is f of x here ma? Is it e power x or not? I mean here you got e power x is equal to 1. But is it possible to write this as e power x is equal to e power 0 or not? To find x value, this one I am writing as this base part ma, e power 0. If e power x is equal to e power 0, then what is x ma? X is equal to 0, which belongs to G or not? Absolutely. That proceed as a set, that is your kernel F. Means from relation number 1 implies, ante deenni teeskelli ikkada substitute chestunnamma. Kernel F is what ma? The set 0 ma. Singleton 0 you can say. 0 is the only element in the set ma. This is your kernel F set and this is homomorphism condition ma, right? This is about your new question. Yes, let us see one more question here ma. It is, if G is the additive group of real numbers, if G is the additive group of real numbers, if G is the additive group of real numbers and G bar is equal to one special set they given ma, the set of all elements 2 power m such that m belongs to Z, this is your G bar set ma, be the multiplicative group, here operation is multiplication ma in G bar, be the multiplicative group, be the multiplicative group, and also F is mapping from G to G bar such that f of x is equal to 2 power x for all x belongings to G, then prove that f is isomorphism, and find its kernel invariant. Here again isomorphism they asked, right? Yes, once look this question ma, they given G is what ma? Additive group of real numbers, problem ledu. Given that G is equal to, under addition it is a group and it is what ma? Set of all real numbers, R comma plus group ma, and they given G bar set is what ma? This. What is that G bar set ma? It is set of all elements 2 power m such that m belongs to Z, means 2 power integer formation elements proceed as G bar. This be what ma? Multiplicative group, means this comma dot is a group. G bar set you can write like this, sorry, right? These are two groups, be two groups ma, right? And they are giving f is mapping from G to G bar in such a way that f of x is equal to 2 power x for all x belongings to G ma. This implies f of y is equal to 2 power y for all y belongs to G. In isomorphism, first homomorphism I want to show ma, right? For x comma y belongings to G, according to closure property in G, under addition closure property ma, x plus y also in G. So that I mean whenever x belongs to G, you have f of x equal to 2 power x. Then what about for x plus y belongs to G ma? Replace x with x plus y ma. You get f of x plus y is equal to what ma? 2 power x plus y, right? But this we can write as what ma? 2 power x into 2 power y. But what is 2 power x ma? F of x into 2 power y is what ma? F of y. That's all. We proved f of x plus y. I am indicating area once observe ma. F of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y. Therefore, f is homomorphism. Homomorphism part is over, right? Next go for 1-1 condition. Already I explained how to proceed 1-1 condition ma. What is that ma? Let us take f of x is equal to f of y for x comma y belongings to G ma. Using this, if we can show x is equal to y, then you say f is 1-1. Yes, I want to proceed it. What is f of x here ma? 2 power x is equal to what is f of y? 2 power y. Whenever 2 power x equal to 2 power y, bases are same. Is it possible to equate powers or not? Yes. X should equal to y. We taken f of x equal to f of y. Using that we proved x equal to y ma. Therefore f is 1-1. 1-1 part also over. Next let us go for onto condition. For onto condition I want to recollect all the relations ma. We know that for every 2 power x belongings to G bar implies x should be element of G. Any problem is there? ఇక్కడ అదే ఉంది కదమ్మా 2 power x G బార్ లో ఉంది అంటే దట్ x షుడ్ బి ఇన్ వేర్ మా G. 2 power x అంటే 2 power m అన్నాను, 2 power x x ఇంటీజర్ అయిందంటే అది రియల్ నెంబర్ అవుతుందా లేదా? అబ్సల్యూట్లీ. So that whenever 2 power x belongs to G bar, this x should be in G ma, right? And also f is mapping from G to G bar. F is mapping from G to G bar according to what definition ma? In such a way that f of x is equal to 2x for every x belongs to G. Actually meaning of this condition I am writing above result rasnanu. That is for every 2x belongings to G bar, for every 2 power x belongings to G bar, there exists a pre-image x belongings to G. For every 2x belongs to G bar, there exists pre-image x belongs to G. That's all. For every element of codomain set, there exists pre-image in domain set. Therefore, is it f is onto or not? That's all. F is homomorphism 1-1 and onto ma. Hence, is it f is isomorphism or not? Absolutely. Yes, we got isomorphism condition. Up to here completed. Still, kernel find chalo. You know what is that kernel condition? Ela find chalo telsi ikkada. I want to remove these lines. No? Here I want to prove. నాకు board సరిపోవట్లేదు. Just I want to utilize some extra board. No? We know that kernel condition. No? We know that kernel f is equal to what? No? Set of all elements x belongings to G such that f of x is equal to E dash, where what is E dash here? Once concentrate. E dash means identity element in codomain set. Codomain set is G bar na. G bar lo identity element enti 1, because in G bar operator is multiplication, under multiplication identity is 1, so that E dash should be what ma? 1. Yes, that substitute here. I mean here what is kernel f set ma? Kernel f is equal to set x belongings to G such that f of x is equal to 1. Let it be, this is relation number 1 ma. In this, take this f of x equal to 1 separately, then define all x belongs to G which can satisfy this f of x equal to 1 and substitute here, you get kernel f ma. For that separately I am taking f of x equal to 1 ma. This implies what is f of x here ma? 2 power x na? I mean 2 power x is equal to 1, right? This is 2 power x is equal to 1 can be written as in terms of 2 power 0 na? Absolutely. Here base is same, equate powers. Then what is the value of x ma? 0. దిస్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు జీ ఆర్ నాట్? అబ్జల్యూట్లీ. కంపల్సరీ రియల్ నెంబర్ సెట్లోకి ఎలిమెంటే కదా జీరో, అబ్జల్యూట్లీ. ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఒకటే జీరో వచ్చింది కాబట్టి దాన్ని ఒక సెట్గా చేయండి, దట్ ఈస్ కెర్నల్ ఎఫ్. ఐ మీన్ ఫ్రమ్ 1 implies what is kernel f set ma? Kernel f is equal to singleton 0. This completes your total question ma. In this also almost all conditions we got ma. ఇందులో కూడా ఏంటమ్మా ఆల్ కండిషన్స్ వచ్చినాయమ్మా. లైక్ దిస్ యూ కెన్ డూ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ హోమోమార్ఫిజం అండ్ ఐసోమార్ఫిజం. ఇందులో ఇక ఈ మోడల్ బేస్ పైన, ఈ బేసిస్ పైన ఎన్ని నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్న ఏ ఫంక్షన్ ఇచ్చినా కూడా మనం వర్క్ చేయవచ్చండి, రైట్? దిస్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ problematic area in homomorphism and isomorphism of groups, right?